Hello guys, welcome back to my another brand new video. Today I am discussing about how to make money online for free using Google search. So let me ask you a question. Have you used Google before? Do you know what Google is? And do you know that you can actually make a lot of money on Google? In this video I will show you exactly how you can make over 200 in using just Google over and over again in just few minutes. All you have to do is go onto this website and combine it with a special trick that I will show you in this video, and if you combine that you could earn over $200 in just few minutes. And I know that your guys are coming from different parts of the world and this opportunity is available worldwide, and this method will pay in PayPal and transfer and many more payment methods that are available in your country. In this video I will show you how to create a free worldwide account on this website, and I will show you a method where you can earn more money than anyone else. And I will also demonstrate to you what the Google setting that you can be used. And if you apply the setting, you might be able to earn 3 times more money and then anyone else. Make sure that you watch the video until the end and don't miss any of the important details. And I will share with you many of my videos and tricks and how to make money online. So go to the YouTube of any of my video and check this video. You can choose and you can earn money from online. First, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notifications. You stay updated whenever a new video comes up. Let's get into the video. First, I wanted to go on Google and type in shrinkme.io and press on the search button. And you can see this first thing right here, the website, and click on that. When you click on that, you will land on this website, and this is the website that I will be showing how you can make $200 in just few minutes. And remember that the steps that I will be telling you so that you can earn a lot of money in just minutes. And this is the payment of this website. You can see here many people around the world earning money on this website, and when you scroll down below you can see hundreds and income proof from different people on over the world, and you can check it out yourself. And if you will go on this website, you can see here that is the 3 step on how you can earn a lot of money using this website. First, you need to sign up for free and worldwide account. Second, you need to shorten the URL link, and you need to share that link to another different platform, which I will show you in the later. And then you will start to earn money on this website passively. But before that, please smash like button down below and then comment down below and what country you are in, so that I can make future video for you guys. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. The first thing is that you need to do it correctly, or else you don't earn any money on this. If you want to create a free worldwide account, just go to this website and click on the register button and right here, and then he will go to this page. Just directly input the information needed and hit the register. Once you sign up for a free account, you will instantly get $1 as a sign up bonus. And once you reach $5, you can cash out your money on different payment methods that are available worldwide. And this website has a daily payment system. You can do the same method on different websites. By some of this website will pay you weekly or every weekend. Unlike this website, it will pay you every single day. And the method that you are going to use, and we are going to YouTube and we'll find a specific video, and we are going to get that video, and we are going to come back to shrinkme.io, and then we are going to pass the link under this bar right here. And then I want you to shorten it. Once you shorten the link, I wanted to share this link into different platforms, so every time someone clicks on the link, you are going to make money right here. And differently are different payment method rates for every country in the world. For example, when people from Greenland click on this link, you will earn $20 for every 1,000 click, and for Ireland, you will get $16 for every 1,000 click. And you can see here a lot of country in the world and at their respective payment method. That is why we will combine the video. We'll check that. I will show you the later, because when people from Greenland click the link, you can earn the most money in this video, and I will show you how you can earn and find the best video on YouTube, and so that many people around the world will click on your shortcut link. Because when you find a bad video, people won't click on your link and you will not earn a lot of money. Once you get the shortened link, let's go to Google and use a very special trick to multiply your money and make a lot of money with this message. You can find weight loss videos, because in the world there are so many people that want to learn how to lose weight and be healthy. Now I want to search on here for a weight loss video and filter it by weeks and just find the best video that you can find. And for example, I am choosing one of video, and you can see here a link where you can directly copy it, and then we'll go back to shrink.me, and then on this part right here to paste the link that you copied and click this arrow right here. As you can see right now, the link has already been shortened and highlighted, and then link and copy it. And let's go back to Google and find some forums, weight loss forums. Just search on here and the keyword weight loss forums. Now you can see many results of weight loss forums right here. For example, this one, just directly register on these forums by clicking on this register. But in right here, then again input the information that is needed, and you can do this on different forums. The problem with this is that we need to focus on the highest paying countries, that is Greenland. So this is the secret strategy that I have been using. If you are doing different weight loss forum search, and I wanted to go on settings and click on advanced search, and you will land on this settings page right here. Scroll down below and you can see this region section right here, and I want you to filter this on Greenland and click on the advanced search button right here. And once that done, you can see now the different result of forums and that focus on that Greenland region. You can do this again and again, and this method is legal and safe, and you can share link on different social media platform like YouTube, Facebook. Then people will click on your link and you will get paid and to earn a lot of money online. That's how you can make money online and using this method. And that is for today's video, and thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you will enjoy my video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.